YouTube, what it is with y'all, man? Cars and J's coming back at y'all another video. Just a little walk around the truck as it sits right now with the 2.4 drop before we get that 5.7 drop on. Kinda like it with the 20s on there. As it sits right now, 5.7 drop is on the way. Right now it's got a Beltec 2.4 drop with the Street Performance shocks. Sitting on factory 20s, grill inserts, the DNA, black headlight housings. If you guys know of anybody, or if y'all have one, I'm looking for a Ram Sport Hood for the 4th of Jan model year. If y'all have one, just hit me up down in the comments, and then I could get back with y'all. Yeah, that's as the truck sits right now. With the Ram Club sticker, the little bullet, 5.7 badge. Yeah, that's as it sits right now. Y'all let me know what y'all think so far. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Just a little short walk around video. I'm out. See you later.